State Road 826 in Pinecrest to its terminus at State Road A1A in Sunny Isles Beach. Between its southern terminus and the Golden Glades interchange, State Road 826 is known as the Palmetto Expressway, a heavily traveled freeway with portions of the road carrying in excess of 250,000 vehicles a day. Unlike many of the other non-interstate freeways in Miami-Dade County, the Palmetto Expressway is untolled. East of the interchange, State Road 826 is a surface road connecting North Miami and North Miami Beach to Sunny Isles Beach, over the Intracoastal Waterway. State Route 826 is signed east-west north of Miami. West of Miami it is signed north-south. State Road 826 begins at an interchange with US 1 in Pinecrest, just south of the Datland Mall, and heads north as the Palmetto Expressway into Kendall. The first interchange, less than a mile without an interchange before meeting Sunset Drive, merges with the Palmetto Expressway at its northern terminus, with a southbound exit and a northbound entrance point. Between this interchange and the next, State Route 826 forms the border between Glenvar Heights and Olympia Heights. Past it, the expressway marks the boundary between Westchester and Coral Terrace. After an exit with Southwest 24th Street, Coral Way, the expressway meets the Miami Trail, providing access to Florida International University. This interchange also marks the Miami Trail's entrance into Incorporated Miami, the boundary of which lies on the eastern side of the expressway. North of the Miami Trail interchange, the Palmetto Expressway forms the eastern boundary of Fontainebleau as it continues north to an exit with Flagler Street that links to the Doral Golf Resort and Spa, and then an exit with Northwest 58th Street. After a brief crossing through unincorporated Miami-Dade County, the expressway reaches an interchange with the Hialeah Expressway in Medley adjacent to the Palmetto Metrorail station, followed by a diagonal interchange with US 27 at the southern end of Hialeah Gardens and Hialeah. It then enters Hialeah proper just after an interchange with Northwest 103rd Street, which allows access to the Westland Mall. An exit with Northwest 122nd Street then follows. At the boundary between Hialeah and Miami Lakes, State Route 826 reaches an interchange with the national southern terminus of Interstate 75. The expressway forms the boundary between an unincorporated section of Miami-Dade County and Miami Gardens, with the expressway entering the city proper at the next exit, Northwest 47th Avenue. The expressway then passes to the north of Florida Memorial University before the Northwest 37th Avenue exit, where it creates the northern border of St. Thomas University's campus. Still in Miami Gardens, State Route 826 then has exits with Northwest 27th Avenue, Northwest 17th Avenue and Northwest 12th Avenue before reaching the Golden Glades interchange. State Route 826 takes a convoluted path through the Golden Glades interchange. It first meets the connector ramps between Florida's Turnpike and Interstate 95, allowing access from northbound State Route 826 to I-95 southbound as well as US 441, State Route 9 southbound, and from the Turnpike southbound and I-95 northbound to southbound State Route 826. After turning to the northeast, State Route 826 moves off its main line at the next exit onto the main line of the Turnpike which passes over it, SR 826's former main line. Meanwhile, continues on as an at-grade extension of Northwest 7th Avenue to US 441 northbound. Traffic moving from eastbound State Route 826 to the northbound Turnpike must pass through an unsignalized intersection here. Headed back southeast, State Route 826 first crosses over the former Seaboard Coastline Railroad, begins to form the northern boundary of Golden Glades, then passes under the I-95's express lanes, meeting the on-ramp between I-95 southbound and the Turnpike northbound, and the on-ramp between southbound US 441 and eastbound State Route 826. It then passes over Interstate 95 proper, which lies between the southbound and northbound carriageways of US 441, as it swings back to the northeast and then to the east once more. Here it meets its last three ramps, One which allows access from US 441 and I-95 northbound to eastbound State Route 826. Another from westbound State Route 826 to US 441 and I-95 southbound. And from westbound State Route 826 to northbound US 441. State Route 826 resumes its east-west orientation once more at a signalized intersection with Northwest 2nd Avenue, marking the end of SR 826's expressway. State Road 826 heads east from the Golden Glades interchange as Northwest 167th Street, a 6-lane surface road, along the boundary between Golden Glades and North Miami Beach. Through here, the road is also known as North Miami Beach Boulevard, lined with shops, offices, hotels and other commercial services. 2 blocks after leaving the interchange, the road crosses North Miami Avenue, the longitudinal baseline for Miami-Dade County. Thus, the road becomes Northeast 167th Street once it passes this point. Approximately 0.75 miles later, a